Okay, 4:32, so we're going to have to hurry up. Quick, smash it open.
Okay.
This is an unboxing. So quick.
We got Treasure X. First one.
So, first one. Go, quick.
Jeez, stop
Quick.
rushing me.
You're not in here. There we go.
Okay. So then we got this chest that we're gonna open later. Bam.
What's that? Bam. Bam. Damage.
You should be watching unboxings to know what you should be doing.
Here, move around to the thing. Move around here. Quick.
Jeez, Dad!
Go! What is it?
I wish I could point the finger right now.
Point the finger.
Not funny.
So what are you doing?
Try and bring this
Yeah,
up.
over the tray. Over the tray.
Okay!
Here we go. It's going to give birth to something.
Push!
You can't
Push, lady, push! I'm pushing! Push! Push! Push!
Are you getting it?
Push! Yep, I'm getting something. Getting something. Oh, that feels so weird going into her tummy.
Go. Peel it
Oh,
open.
her digestives. Her
Digestive system.
This is so creepy.
You need a tray. Like, keep the stuff from going all over the carpet. It's the best thing.
Oh,
What do you
look
got
at that,
there?
Macy.
You got that stuff everywhere, man.
Look at that, Macy.
Oh, it's like boogers.
Sorry, a few blood
Boogers.
bits came out of you, but I'll be fine because they're only just.
What do you got there? Show. Just look what you got.
Actually, it wouldn't be blood, it'd be ink because
Yeah, it's ink.
squids and octopuses squirt ink when they
They're scared.
when they feel that someone is in their territory.
Sound as if they're scared. What are you doing?
Same thing. It's if a predator or something frightens them.
Don't get technical.
Haha.
Swear.
Don't swear.
You can't swears. Dad
What
can't
the
even
heck?
swears. What is it?
Look at that.
What is
Sorry, Bigfoot. Sorry, Bigfoot.
That's only his body. You need to.
Unwrap his head, Dad. Unwrap his head.
I don't know. You unwrap it.
Okay. I can't because my hands are all sticky.
Quick.
Jeez Louise. How do I even unwrap this thing?
I don't know. Stop. I don't know why do they do this to toys, even though it's so fun.
Because it's fun.
Yeah, well,
Yeah,
Dad's not touching it this
because
time.
it's fun. Can I go get some stickers? Dad,
no.
just pause the video.
Oh,
No, those are cooking scissors, which means the tip is very sharp.
okay.
Oh.
Yep. Well, you got him out now.
And now. Oh,
Okay.
it squirts out water.
Oh, does it? It's like a water pistol. Water pistol.
Unpause? Did you unpause it?
Yeah.
So,
Quick, open up your box.
water.
Open up your box.
Oh. Okay, at least I still there's spillage.
Quick.
I think that's the stuff to.
You got 20 seconds.
Jeez, you sure?
Yep.
Is that actually true?
Oh, can we make it? He's not going to make it in the video. It's going to be a surprise next time. We're going to have to show you next time, people. Stay tuned. We'll see what's in the box. In the box. What's in the box? In the box.